Hey guys, it's Peter Jordan from Delta Auto Marine here on Lost Angler Channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at the new LT25 from Custom Gheenoe. We just got this boat in. It is slap full of features. We ordered it the way we'd want to own it. And let's see if it's the right boat for you. Okay, so starting out, we have a full bow platform. We've got two hatches there. In these hatches, you'll be able to find in the forward hatch your battery and also your breaker for the trolling motor. So that's easy to get to. The second hatch is an insulated fish box. We like to put our fish boxes forward and our live wells in the rear, so there's just less jostling for your bait. Keeps them alive longer. We have your wiring for the trolling motor. This is already done, nice and easy. And then we have the trolling motor mount. This one has the stakeout anchor. I really like the way this is done. It really takes it up a notch. I've always been more of an iPilot guy, but this setup here is really functional, and I'm loving the price too. All right, then we did the shark eyes. We had this black powder coated to match the rest of the black powder coating on the boat, which looks just absolutely vicious. And just like always, we have a swing away tongue on the trailer and a spare tire. So moving back, we have our standalone grab bar. We had this one with a pad for you so that when you put your cooler in, you can lean back and rest. We had two rod holders put on the grab bar. And then here you've got access to all of your switches, really easy to do. You've got a big back deck cushion back here, really comfortable. And then underneath it, your live well. Huge live well, great for tournaments, black it out with bait, whatever you want to do. And then behind here you got access to your fuel tank and also your battery terminals, which makes rigging very much more pleasant. We did a 25 horsepower Tohatsu tiller. This is electric start, it has trim and tilt. Everything you would want in a motor you do right here. And with this motor, two people, excuse me, rigged out, loaded, and you're running 30 miles an hour. Up here we have our anchor light. We did a black powder coated transom mount poling platform. We did it this way to give you extra room, give you that little bit of extra space, and I absolutely love the way it looks. And this boat is in the new dark gray color, so really great boat. Really happy to have it in. And just like always, I want to point out that your rod holders up here are tubed all the way through, so you want to add your fly rods or whatever, no worries about snapping off eyes. Gorgeous boat, floats in less than 5 inches of water, runs like a scalded dog. Absolutely insane fuel economy. You guys need to come stop by and check it out. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Stop by here at Delta Auto and Marine in Daphne, Alabama. Our telephone number is 251-517-5755. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Put something in the comments, whatever you need. We're happy to help. We'll see you on the water.